featuring the gorgeous look, the non-stick pan, the cool touch handles, the ability to use a metal spatula or whisk, the fact that I can throw this thing on a stovetop, whether it be gas, glass, electric, induction, straight into the oven and to the dishwasher. So versatile. This pan can go up to 500 degrees in the oven, the lid up to 400 degrees. And speaking of this lid, I am converted to glass top lids. You can see that. This is a tempered glass lid, but I love being able to peek through and see, how is the sauce simmering? Is my meat actually browning without having to constantly lift it up and down? And there are these vent holes here so the steam can escape. So when I'm actually taking the lid off, I'm not. I do love that the 14-inch surface comes with these two carrying handles. They are the Cool Touch technology. This is so easy to take from the stovetop to the island. This handle, also your Cool Touch technology. Speaking of the construction of these, we're gonna see some very important information that you want to follow so you don't mess your pans up. The first thing is how to season the pans. The most important thing you need to know about these pans is they are designed with 3 layers of metal. The first and third are your stainless steel, your non-stick surface. The middle is the aluminum, which is your even heat distribution. And when they design these particular pans, the underside, the lower level, is your non-stick. And then the hexagon aluminum sits just above that. So as your spatula or whisk is going across, it's actually touching the aluminum level and doesn't touch the non-stick. That perfect combination of non-stick and even heat distribution. Because of that, you do need to make sure that you're taking care of the pans. So it's highly recommended when you get them, you're gonna wash them with soap and water, get them clean, put the pan on the stove on low, let it warm up with 1 teaspoon of butter or oil, and then you're gonna just take your paper towel and rub it all the way around the pan. That's gonna season it and prepare it. Each time you go to cook with the HexClad pans, you also need to season. So you're gonna preheat it for about a minute, add your butter or oil, and then cook from there. Some people don't like that about these pans, that is part of the process. I personally do often cook with something like that, so it's not an issue for me. Because the heat distributes so well with these pans, you're going to have to adjust your temperature cooking. A medium low with an HexClad pan is the same as a medium high with other pans. Cook on high heat with these pans as if you're searing meat. Really hot and really fast. When you're done, let the pan cool. Very easy with soap and water. If there is a really stubborn burn spot on there, you can use those metal scratchy pads, and this thing can go in the dishwasher if you prefer. Approximately 12 inches cooking surface on the flat side and about 2 inches to 3 inches in height. So overall, pay attention to the seasoning, how to cook. On the back side of this is your lifetime warranty. Combination of the non-stick meets the aluminum for even distribution of cooking. The fact that I can use the metal on the surface, the Cool Touch, this awesome huge raised lid for things like searing meat, ability to use this straight from a stovetop to an oven to a dishwasher. This pan is amazing. It's cute. It arrives well packaged. If you're thinking about a HexClad pan, you should definitely check this out.